Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to verify a Docusign envelope ID. In Docusign, the envelope ID is a unique reference number that helps us track, confirm, and validate document transactions. Now let's get started on the Docusign dashboard. We will go to Agreements, which you can find in the upper right part. Next, we go to Send. Here, we see the completed transactions. To confirm the contract and envelope ID, we simply click the three dots or contact signing. After downloading, we can see the envelope ID here. Now, we copy the envelope ID and return to the search field. As shown, we have copied the ID for contact signing. To confirm, we right-click and paste the contact ID we copied, then press Search. It appears here, showing it belongs to the contact signing and is correct. With this information, we can easily track the document status and confirm its authenticity.